As you can probably see, it's snowing, and hence I'm gonna be solving this Rubik's Cube again, because I'm just like that. Here goes nothing. Alright, we're starting off strong. Or maybe not. Yeah, forget I said that. Oop. Sorry, this is my first time solving it this year. That too in snow. So 2023. And we're almost to OLL, as you can probably tell. PLL, how do you do this case? This is much harder with go-ups in snow. Last time was a 2x2, so it was easier. Last case. And we're done. Subscribe to see more stupid challenges.